So many great nonfiction books, but a lot of people don't think about the opportunity to get homework helper and school books from Osborne. So this is one that I love. This is 50 Science Things to Make and Do. This is a great book. It's a hardcover with a spiral bound, and it is just a really great book that's so fun to use. It just has great experiments and activities to do, like stable structures, rubber band paddle boat, balancing acrobats. There's just paper planes. There are so many activities in here that are just fun to do with your kids and just great experience to teach them about science. One thing, this book is just beautiful and wonderful to have. So it's great to have a dictionary, and this is an illustrated dictionary. It's great for kids just because it's more friendly for children. It's got illustrations in it. It's just got a bunch of great words in it and it just provides a great dictionary for kids that are wanting to look up words. We also have, this is a must-have. This is Not Your Everyday Illustrated Thesaurus. This book is actually really awesome. I was flipping through it, and it just has so much information on different subjects. So this one's all about shapes. And then we have one that's talking about cats and dogs or insects, pages about the town or the countryside. It's just a fun book to just sit down and read information. So that's Not Your Everyday Illustrated Thesaurus. If you are working with your kids in math, this is definitely one you're going to want to get. I know that math is something I just don't always remember, especially now that we're not in school and our kids come with questions and we don't always know the answers. So this is a fun book you guys can look at together. It just talks about all different math concepts. So counting forward and backward, comparing numbers, writing numbers out, whole numbers, halves, quarters, so fractions. It also goes over different ways of adding and subtracting. It even gets into more complex stuff, multiplying, dividing, and it just is a cute book that teaches math in a fun way. So that's our first illustrated math dictionary. We have tons of other math ones, so definitely check out the math section. We have, I know I showed you encyclopedias, but this is the very first encyclopedia of the human body. This is just a limited version, and it's just a flimsy cover, and it's just a shortened version about the human body. And what I love about this one, I know there's the see inside and look inside your body, but this one just is a little bit more complex and in-depth information and just covers so many different categories, and it's just a great book to teach about the human body. We also have the Human Body Reference Guide, another body ones. There's so many different body books, but these are just great books. There's books for all ages that just talk about, this one talks about the circular system, the senses. It just goes into more in depth about the body. So there's great body books, math books, so many homework helpers. I hope you found some that you would love.